What is this?
Can opening.
Wrong. I'll play it again.
Yeah.
You might get another go if you can't guess.
I don't know. I've no idea.
If you
I've no
have
idea.
another guess, I'll allow it.
Oh, he's not playing.
Oh, is it me?
It's not you, Ethan. Maybe you ran.
Can I hear it again?
Cool.
Last time.
One more time.
No.
That doesn't help.
Okay, I'm gonna have to say 0 points for
Did
this
anyone
as
know?
well.
Someone crunching like a quaver.
Is it
or
an
something?
egg crack and then?
Oh, it's an egg. It's an egg.
He knows what food sounds like.
Food ones.
I had no idea.
Okay, Josh versus Harry.